This is a podcast from the Business Times.
Good evening. It's Wednesday, June 24th, 2026. Here's your market-focused daily closing bell update by the Business Times. Asian stocks struggled for direction today while crude oil prices extended declines to hover near 4-month lows, as analysts cautioned about renewed volatility from stretched AI valuations and the prospects for U.S.-Iran peace talks. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan was last up 0.4% after swinging gains and losses. South Korean shares, which plunged 10% yesterday in their sharpest one-day drop since March, rallied 3.5%, while Japan's Nikkei shed 0.4% and Taiwan stocks lost 1.9%. Risk-off sentiment swept Wall Street overnight, tracking moves in Europe and Asia. U.S. stocks fell on concerns about rising debt-funded AI spending and speculation that the Federal Reserve could adopt a more hawkish stance, while Treasury yields declined as investors sought the safety of government debt. Oil prices fell more than 1% today, extending this week's losses and trading near 4-month lows on signs that more oil tankers stranded in the Gulf are set to move out of the Strait of Hormuz. Still, uncertainty remains over the durability of the accord. Later today, memory chipmaker Micron Technology is set to release its earnings, which could offer clues on the outlook for the memory and AI chip sector after a searing rally this year. South Korea's SK Hynix said today it plans to raise over 45 trillion won via the listing of American depository receipts, as it seeks to expand its investor base and production capacity for chips used in artificial intelligence. Chinese technology company ByteDance, the developer of TikTok, is in preliminary talks with banks for its largest offshore loan of about $20 billion. The company has approached banks for a loan that may carry a 3-year tenor, with an option to extend it to as long as 5 years. The dollar's strength has weighed heavily on the yen, the euro weakened and sterling eased. Spot gold extended losses falling 1.1% to just over $4,000 an ounce, touching an almost 2-week low as higher rate expectations reduce the appeal of non-yielding assets. In cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin gained 0.2% and Ether lost 0.2%. That's it for today. For more business news and market updates, visit bt.sg. And Lens on Daily for the latest, tomorrow at 10 a.m.
This is a podcast by the Business Times. Find more BT podcasts at businesstimes.com.sg/podcasts or wherever you get your podcasts. This podcast is meant to provide general information only. SPH Media accepts no liability for loss arising from any reliance on the podcast or use of third parties' products and services. Please consult professional advisors for independent advice.